Dear friends, welcome to Nifty Indicators. It's easy to make money. Yes, it is easy to make money if we follow the indicators that are more than 70% right. If we trust them and if we follow them consistently, yes, we can make money. For example, last 3 days, we have been seeing the green shoots. The indicators have been giving signals to us that Nifty wants to go up. And you can see the result. 5-day moving average has been moving up. PSAR has been giving buy signal. Of course, I'm talking of day and charts. Histogram has, MACD histogram has given buy signal now. So you see, it's all there. Only thing is we need to know how to read these charts, how to read these indicators, and we need to have, cultivate a trust. We need to have the faith in the indicators to blindly follow them. If we do that, we are going to make big money. If we have any doubt, if you have any doubt at all, feel free to call me and I shall explain you the nitty-gritty of indicators, which one to follow, which one not to follow, when to follow, and how to make money. It's not very difficult. It's easy to learn, but then we need to learn. So if you want to learn, get back to me. I shall try to help you to the best of my ability. Coming back to the thing, tomorrow's trading. We need to prepare for tomorrow's trading. First thing is we need to see the look at the levels. These are the levels for Nifty 50 stocks. This is the first page, Adani Enterprises to Coal India. This is the second page, as usual, DB Slab to IndusInd Bank. And then comes Infosys to Reliance, the third page. And fourth page is SBI Life Insurance to Wipro. And of course, Nifty and Bank Nifty's levels are included in this. So these are the levels we need to use for tomorrow's day trading. But remember, day trading market will keep going up and down. For example, this morning the market opened in negative. It went down further, but then it ended up being positive. You see, as far as the positional trader is concerned, he doesn't really have to worry much about what is happening during the day. We need to worry about what the day and charts have said. Day and charts have been telling us for last couple of days that the market wants to go up. So trust that and follow it. At the end of the day, last half an hour or last 20-25 minutes, market went up by 50 points. 50 points in green. Market went up about 125 points from the low of the day. So that's it. So you see, if you trust it, if you follow it blindly, you are bound to make money. Okay, let's come to the next thing. This is the important indicators of Bank Nifty for last 1 month. You can see that in the last few days, things have been turning green. That is, Bank Nifty indicators have been giving us buy signals. Almost all the indicators are in buy signals now. Then comes Nifty's indicators for past 1 month. If you see, last couple of days, it has been giving us buy signal, and that's it. The market has been going up. And then comes for tomorrow, especially. Tomorrow is the weekly expiry. So have a look at the option chain. This is the option chain for Nifty, and this one is for Bank Nifty. Have a look at it. Study well, especially if you are more into options, and see where the options have got more open interest or where it is reducing. Look at it and use it well for your day trading. But positionally, market as of now is trying to go up. I'm again repeating, market is trying to go up positionally. Okay, so if intraday what happens doesn't really matter to the positional positionally the market wants to go up. Market of course will confirm it when it sustains above 17,800 for 2-3 sessions, but then that should happen in the near future, hopefully. That is my humble opinion. You see, what is important now is This is today's FIIs and DIS cash positions in the cash segment. You see, FIIs have turned net buyers. Today too, they continue to be the net buyers. Last 3-4 days, they have been buyers. You see, have a look at their position for last few weeks. See, last couple of weeks, if you'll see, FIIs were net sellers and Nifty was going down. And now that FIIs have turned net buyers, Nifty is going up. So obviously, when the FIIs, most of the times when FIIs are consistently buyers in cash segment, market tends to go up. That's it. So if you have any doubt, if you want any help, if you have any queries, feel free to call me. I shall try my level best to assist you, to explain you the nitty-gritty of the market, to how to make money. Because as I keep telling, I am not the expert on market as such, but I should humbly submit that I can teach you how to make money. After all, we are in the market to make money, not I don't understand about the target and where Nifty will be tomorrow and where anything else will be tomorrow. What about the market, this, that. I don't understand most of those things. What I understand, what I can teach you is how to make money. That I'm good at. I can vouch for that. Hundreds of students are learning from me even now, and they are happy about it. They are making a lot of money. So if you're interested, feel free to get in touch. I shall be only glad to help you. Before my bidding goodbye, let me remind you once again, please watch, subscribe, share and like our video.